Shin Splints, phase 2, which means you've been doing the work we asked you to do in phase 1. We're progressing in the office, and now we're working towards getting you back to running with some intensity and some distance, not just a walk jog progression or easy runs. We eventually want to get back to those goal runs that we had, those long runs that help us build towards our half marathon, marathon, ultra, whatever it is you're training for. So here's another set of exercises that we want you to maintain throughout your training program as far as your mobility and your warm up before you run.